Dr. Pepper to the tree. Wait, anything. Anything. To answer that question, we made a short film called Heavy Wind. Anyways, here's how we made it. I'm gonna show you. I'm right here now, so. Here's the can I just dropped. So, anyways, I'll show you a clip. And you can go watch my video right now. I'll show you a clip. Show you a clip. No thank. This heavy wind video is so windy. I showed you the clip that I use this bottle. The bottle in the bottom. Let me just show you. I don't know if you saw it peep, but this cherry Coke can is going bye-byes. I'll stay tuned for more. What's the last part I'll show you? Alright, this is the last part. Yep, I jump off, and how do I shut it off? I get up from my area. People think I got blown, but I really, well, like I said, that's the end, and so I'll show you more later. This Coke can is going bye-bye. Let me show. It's moving. There it goes, people. Why is it not exploding? Come on, Coke can. Come on, explode. Anyways, since it don't explode, we'll worry about that later. This is how I edit my video. And, alright, so, come on. Hey, hold on. And this is, and this is me in anger, touching all the cans. How did this happen? Actually, it didn't really. I used this. The box that I used. See if it'll explode again. Come on, can't explode. This can is so strong that We're oh, it's getting close. Don't worry about that later. This is me getting angry. Let's show you. Wait, pause. Just look how angry I am. Do you see that? I mean, he isn't even close. And this me getting angry is actually, and the difficultest scene, and probably how long it took. How long did it take? It actually took me like, I say 34 minutes. Yep, it took like 34. And this is going outside. And because all the cans turn into, let's try to explode one more time. Please don't explode. Come on, explode. This is cans. This is Can's jug. So, since we couldn't get the can to explode, this is me in my videos. Oops, sorry, tapped it. Okay, this is me. Video. Shoot. I don't know what these are, but these are all my videos. This is actually a picture of me that I was too. Oh wait, people, I gotta go, but because I'm gonna be playing with my OCs, and also you have to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, I might make a part 2 one day. Yeah. I did not do a crazy video today. So I do gotta go, people. Bye! Hi, subs. Welcome back. It's February 7th. And I promise I'm gonna make how I made spiders. So, finally, it came. Yeah, people watering asses in the video saying, do it exactly February 7th. I don't know, but I did. And I'm going to show you how I made spiders. Well, spiders, I can't show you any clips. But they're all like stickers, like you can stick. But I'll show you a sticker part, how it slowly appeared and disappeared. And wish me good luck, and spiders is a video that you get scared and like, spider! And I'll pour water on me, and I'll show you that in slow motion. And I can't show you any clips and stuff. And about this, and hi guys, and if you're watching this on the future, happy future everyone. I don't know why I said that, but I got plenty of more videos in the future, like my population is joking, guys, and spiders, and and they're not real spiders, they're just stickers. And the reason I got my show edited because I don't know. And I wanted to show you without the sticker, but I can't because I can't show you guys. But if I can reach 300 subscribers by the end of the year, I will be happy. Yeah, if it turns 2020, if I can reach 300 subscribers before 2026, I will be happy. I mean, Heavy Wind is probably a good one, but I'm going to go zoom, 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 and bye-bye short. Yeah, screw the short. And we are going to be screwing the short, and why did I change the Megarex one? I mean, when I uploaded Megarex, and the short got a lot of more views than the longer one. And the reason I changed it because it kept getting less views. And the reason I put the other logo in is because trying to get more views than the shorter one. Yeah. And let me just go get my Megarex. Alright. I'll be right back. Before I show you Megarex, I'm going to show you slow motion clips real quick. Good luck. Huh? Right. This is Megarex. The call I use, and I take my phone. Let's go get it. Megarex, you just stay here and look after the camera while I will. Alright, look after the camera. What, Megarex? Why are you doing? What's wrong? What's wrong, Megarex? Oh! Billy! Alright, guys. I got my phone. And this is the one I taped it on. And let me just show you. This is the phone. The same camera I used in Nightmare and Heavy Wind. How I made Heavy Wind. Alright, guys, put this Megarex back in this phone. I'll be right back, subs. Oh, what should I do? Alright, subs. Welcome back. Sorry about my voice, and also I want to wish you. If you ever watch spiders and see these really fake spiders, that means you're just gonna be. They're not real spiders, because real spiders look like this. Look like this. Well, maybe like this. This is definitely not a spider. This is definitely not a spider. And make sure you subscribe and like and comment. Bye guys, I gotta clean up.